Are you tired of spending money on ads that just don't get the clicks? Hi, I'm Sam. I specialize in creating captivating explainer videos that don't just get views, they convert those views into customers. Imagine turning passive scrollers into engaged buyers with just one video. In today's crowded market, standing out isn't just important, it's crucial. With everyone vying for attention, your message needs to cut through the noise. That's where my videos come in. Designed to grab attention and keep it, my videos not only captivate, but drive real results, helping your business shine brighter than the rest. Whether you need a standout product demo, a compelling customer review, or a full-scale marketing campaign, I've got the tools and expertise to make it happen. My videos are crafted to not only tell your story, but to sell it, creating a connection with your audience that turns interest into action. Should you want a compelling video advert that says it all? Contact or chat Sam of Flexi Concepts on 0809 600 2981 to get started today.